Hey, this is Lego Fanatic 7, and I'm going to be showing you another puzzle box. The other one I made is like, whatever, it's too quick and too, easy to do. But now, this is better. So, this is it. It's the front of it. That's the top. See, there's no hidden passages for the top. So, what you're going to do is take off this black stud. It was right here. And you're going to take it off. And this is going to pop off. So, what you're going to take this and put it through the middle one right here. And this pops out of the back from through here. We're going to take this one right here and poke it through this. It's like a hidden passage. And this pops out. And this does too. And there's a bunch of gold and silver. And to put it back, you slide it from here down.
I put everything away that I know where it needs to be.
And
Okay. The other ones, I don't know if they're going to shower or not.
and put this through here. And you're going to put this lightly, very lightly, right here. So it's light enough to pop open. And you're going to stick this through here. The last thing is you put it through here. Like that. Hope you enjoyed. See ya.